In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks to agents in Freshdesk. If you're looking to route customer requests quickly and clearly, assigning tickets to the right person is essential. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can confidently handle new inquiries or update existing ones without missing a beat. First, start by creating a new ticket or opening one that already exists. You can do this by selecting New Ticket when you need to log a fresh request, or by clicking into a ticket from your list if you're updating something that's already in progress. Either choice works the same way for assignment. Next, fill in the key ticket details. Add a context so the ticket is tied to the right customer or requester. Write a clear, concise subject that summarizes the issue, like our password reset not working or invoice correction requested. Set the status to reflect where the ticket stands. Think of it as a quick signal to your team about whether it's open, waiting on someone, or already resolved. Choose a priority that matches the urgency. Higher priorities should be used for issues with immediate impact, while lower ones fit general requests. These fields help the assigned agent understand context at a glance and ensure the ticket appears correctly in filtered views and reports. If your organization uses groups, you can optionally select one to keep the ticket within a specific team or skill area. For example, you might route billing questions to a finance group or technical issues to support. Choosing the right group helps narrow the pool of available agents and keeps work organized. Now, assign the ticket to an agent. Find the agent field and open the drop-down. You can scroll or start typing a name to search. Pick the person best suited to handle the request, whether that's based on expertise, language, or availability. Assigning directly ensures accountability and speeds up response time, especially when you want to avoid tickets sitting in a general queue. When everything looks good, save your changes. If it's a brand new ticket, click Create. If you're updating an existing one, click Update. Freshdesk will record your selections immediately, and depending on your workspace's notifications, the assigned agent may receive an alert so they can jump right in. That's all there is to it. Create or open a ticket, add the essential details, optionally choose a group, assign the agent, and save. With this simple flow, you'll keep your support process fast, clear, and consistent. Thanks for watching.